Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best silicone baking mat is probably one of the most versatile and useful tools you can have in your kitchen, perfect for everything from baking cookies and pastries to dehydrating fruits and vegetables, and even as a non-stick surface for candy making. Today, we'll dive into what makes a great silicone baking mat, helping you choose the perfect one for your baking needs and budget, so you can create delicious treats with ease. Number 5. Amazon Basics Silicone Baking Mat. Say hello to effortless baking and cooking. These reusable mats make cleanup a breeze and are perfect for all your baking needs. It's made from high-quality, food-safe silicone, so you can use it time and time again. Enjoy healthy cooking without the need for extra oils or sprays. Its non-stick surface ensures that your baked goods release easily. No more struggling to get things off the baking sheet. Cleaning is a snap. Simply wash it with soap and water. It's that easy. It's safe for use in ovens up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember to use it with a baking tray for best results. These versatile mats are great for baking, roasting, and even preparing food. They are a must-have for any kitchen. Each mat measures 16.5 inches long by 11.6 inches wide, providing ample space for your culinary creations. Get 2 in every pack. What we like? It's a convenient 2-pack of non-stick baking mats. If you need a budget-friendly option for everyday baking and want easy cleanup, this is it. They're perfect for home bakers who don't want to fuss with parchment paper. What people say. Easy to use, truly non-stick, easy to clean. They lay perfectly flat in a standard half-sheet pan. They clean up easily in the dishwasher or by hand. Food doesn't stick to them after cooking. Number 4. Kitzini Silicone Baking Mat Set. It's a must-have for any kitchen. Highly rated by our customers, it's incredibly durable and reusable, saving you money and reducing waste. Say goodbye to single-use parchment paper. It's eco-friendly and can be used thousands of times, making it a sustainable choice for baking. These professional-grade mats are extra thick and durable, ensuring safety when using pastry cutters and providing long-lasting performance. Baking with these mats is easy and mess-free. Their non-stick surface eliminates the need for extra oil or butter, and cleanup is a breeze. They provide even heat distribution for perfectly baked goods every time. Bring a touch of professional style and joy to your baking. What we like? This set boasts extra thick, durable mats that will last for thousands of uses. If you're an eco-conscious baker looking for a long-lasting, versatile option with different sizes, this is the one for you. It's a great investment for serious bakers. What people say. The mats provide a consistently even bake, ensuring that every cookie comes out perfectly golden without any burnt bottoms. They're non-stick, so there's no need for parchment paper or greasing, and cleanup is a breeze, just a quick rinse or a run through the dishwasher. Plus, they protect my baking sheets from residue and scratches, extending their lifespan. These are the good ones, heavy-duty mats to last for several years. When I first unrolled them, they felt substantial and sat securely on my baking sheets. I like that the set comes with a small one to fit my quarter-sheet pan as well as my half pan. These are like the ones I bought from Kitzini several years ago and the quality is still excellent. Dough doesn't stick to them, I use a light dusting of flour, and they're easy to wash and dry. Number 3. HOTPOP Macaron Baking Mats. These silicone baking mats are a must-have for any baker. They're reusable, non-stick, and make cleanup a breeze. This set includes 2 half-sheet and 2 quarter-sheet mats, giving you the perfect size for any baking project. They measure 16.5 by 11.6 inches and 11.5 by 8.5 inches respectively. It eliminates the need for butter or oil, reducing calories and making your treats healthier. Enjoy guilt-free baking. Nothing sticks to these mats. They're super easy to clean, saving you time and effort after baking. Made to high standards, they're durable and reusable, making them a worthwhile investment for your kitchen. These mats are perfect for macarons, but also great for cookies, pastries, and more. Get creative in the kitchen. What we like? Get 4 mats in this set, perfect for all your baking needs. If you're focused on healthy baking and want to eliminate extra oils and butter, this set is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want convenience and multiple sizes. What people say. The macarons are the perfect size, and the mats are easy to clean. They work great and are very easy to clean. They are easy to store as well. They worked great, good heat resistance. Easy to wash. Thick and can be used over and over again. Number 2. Kitzini Silicone Pastry Mat. It provides a superior non-slip surface, staying perfectly flat while you work. Kneading dough or using a roller is now easier than ever, and it prevents pastry bases from drying out. It features conversion charts for temperatures, volume, weights, and dimensions. Precise ruled edges and circular guidelines take the guesswork out of baking. This extra-large baking sheet ensures even heat distribution for a perfect bake every time. It's made from a unique fiberglass core and can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. It's built to last for 3,000 bakes and is twice as thick as other silicone mats. Its durability and non-stick surface will keep your work surface clean and mess-free. It's consistently reliable, easy to clean, and rolls up effortlessly for reuse. Bring professional-style baking supplies and a touch of happiness into your kitchen. What we like. This extra-large mat is perfect for all your pastry and pizza needs. If you need precise measurements while baking and want even heat distribution, this is the mat for you. It's a must-have for professional bakers and those who love to bake large items. What people say. It has grid lines and round shapes for pie dough scones in inches. It is very thick, pastry cutters should not be a problem. And, more importantly, it has grid lines and round shapes for pie dough scones in inches. It's very well made and the silicone amply covers the fiberglass edges. It rolls up nicely and fits in the drawer, easy to clean, dough doesn't stick, heat resistant. Number 1. Silicone Baking Mat Set. This set is made from premium German silicone, ensuring it's food grade, BPA-free, and non-toxic. It's the perfect choice for all your baking needs. Say goodbye to sticky messes. Its non-stick surface makes removing your baked goods a breeze. No need for extra oil or parchment paper. At 0.75 millimeters thick, it's much more durable than other mats. It's built to last through countless uses. Cleaning is a snap. Simply wipe it clean or toss it in the dishwasher. Grease and dough won't stand a chance. This set includes half, medium, and quarter sheet sizes. It's heat resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit 260 degrees Celsius, safe for oven and freezer use. From cookies and pies to macarons and pizza, it's perfect for all your baking needs. It even makes a great gift. What we like. Made with premium German silicone, it offers a superior non-stick surface and is incredibly easy to clean. If you prioritize quality and want a high-performing, easy-to-clean mat, this is the one. It's perfect for those who value durability and a smooth baking experience. What people say. Saves on parchment paper. Easy to clean. Work perfectly on macaron baking. Easy to lift up and drop off after piping the batter to release air bubbles. Cookies get off easily after baking. Nothing sticks to them, making cleanup a breeze. I also love the 3 sizes as I can use them in a toaster oven or regular oven. Also, these sheets can be used up to 500 star. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.